Imagine this, okay? And if you can't do this right now, you're making the wrong kind of money. If you can't shut off your computer, get off social network totally, turn off your phone, and disappear for a month, okay? Where no one hears from you. You do no marketing, no advertising, no following up, no talking to people, not even talking to people in your downline. You disappear, right, for a month. No one knows where you're at. And if you can't come back a month later and have the same money that you had last month or the month before, or more money coming in, then you're doing something wrong, okay? Because some of you, if you don't go out there and hit Facebook all day, every day, and blast ads all day, every day to try to get this little bit of fast start money, you would be starving the next month. You'd be starving the next week. But if you can't shut your computer off and disappear where no one hears from you, and your business still isn't going, and you're still not making money, then you are doing it wrong. So if you're one of those paycheck to paycheck, broke as a joke people, then I would say wake up and say, whoa, I gotta dive in this training. I need to get this out here. No matter what, I'm going to turn this thing into $50. I'm going to turn this thing into $100. I'm going to turn this thing into $250 a month. And I'm going to get out of this stupid hole that I'm in right now, because this can do it. This has proven that it works. It's proven that it does that. It's proven it can take you from those dark depths of that hole and pull you out. If you put in the time and you actually follow it. All the websites work. The follow-up works. All the stuff we got works. But it takes you